When I first started, I was employee number 15. We were in a little tiny building over on Highway 3, and we've grown up, and it's always been a very collaborative culture. I've never had a problem that I couldn't go find 2 or 3 other people to help me solve.
Personally, when we meet the patients, hear the stories, and know that what we do here helps them live a quality-based life, that just always touches my heart and makes me want to continue, and could be why I've been here so long.
We have a great team. Purchasing has the best team that I work for, and of course, the culture here at Livanova is really good too. So I love everybody that I work for and I work with.
Yeah, I mean, I think that's probably one of the best things about the company, besides working for our patients, is the people we get to work with. Having been in the company for almost 20 years, I've worked with a lot of the same people over that same 20 years. So some people do come and go, but overall, like I think we have a really positive culture where people work together and help accomplish these challenging products that we're trying to design.
At the Houston site specifically, there's a very tangible, deep sense of purpose here. And it's because we can physically see the product being made. I can see the people and interact with people that have designed the product, that are packing and shipping the product, and we know exactly who it's going to. And we all share that sense of purpose. And so what I find is that the people that are here in Houston and at Livanova in general, they very much are altruistic, looking outside of themselves, and they're hardworking and they have servant hearts.
I'm proud to know that what I do, it really makes an impact, not just with the patients, but also with homeowners.
Yeah, what makes me proud to work here, for the most part, is the team that I'm working with. Throughout all of the functions of the organization, there's always a concerted effort and focus on the patient first. Anytime there's a project that we're going into, conversation always starts around how is this impacting our patients, how is this supporting therapy out in the field before we go into anything else.